In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main homepage of your account. This is the best place to begin because all of the account configuration options are easy to access from here. If your dashboard looks slightly different, that's okay. The layout can vary a little depending on updates, but the general process is still the same. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu. Most of the tools you need for setup and customization are located here, so this is where you'll be working for the next few moments. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This will open the area where you manage account level options, including connected apps and external tools. If you're setting up integrations for the first time, take your time here and make sure you're in the correct section before moving on. After that, stay on the left hand side again within the settings area and look for integrations. Go ahead and click on integrations. This page is where Gohighlevel lets you connect with other platforms, and it's the section you'll use whenever you want to link outside services to your account. Now on the integrations page, look through the available options until you find Notion. It may be listed among several other apps, so scroll carefully if needed. A quick tip here is to read the app names closely, especially if you have a long list of integrations visible on your screen. Once you've found Notion, click on Connect. This starts the connection process between Gohighlevel and your Notion account. At this point, you're essentially telling Gohighlevel which external workspace you want to authorize. Next, connect your Notion account by following the prompts on screen. Typically, this involves signing into Notion if you aren't already logged in, then approving the permissions needed for the integration to work properly. Be sure to review those permissions so you understand what access is being granted. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple workspaces and want to connect the right one. After you approve the connection, your Notion integration should be linked inside Gohighlevel. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and refresh the page if necessary. That's all it takes to complete the setup. And that's how to integrate Notion in Gohighlevel. Once connected, you'll be ready to continue using both platforms together more efficiently.